Hey, it's Lisa Renee, and I'm not gonna lie, every day I love my iced green tea with lots of citrus, and I drink that almost all day long. I mean, I make this half-gallon pitcher every single day, and that's mostly what I sip on most of the day. But I tell you, I've perfected a rival to the Starbucks iced coffee. So that is also one of my favorites. Hey, they're fast, they're cheap, and they don't expect anything from me emotionally. But sometimes I just want something a little different. Something, that feels just maybe a little touch special. It doesn't have to be fancy, but just sometimes a little different. So I've created something special for you, and it not only tastes good, but it helps support a healthy lifestyle as we are alcohol-free living. So what I've got is a 5-recipe, free 5 recipes that are mocktails. And like I said, although they may taste like a treat sometimes, they're actually a health booster in a glass. Yep, you heard that right, a health booster. And you certainly can't say that when you put wine in the glass, but here's one of my favorites in a wine glass. It's called the Lemon Cucumber Refresher. This is very healthy and very refreshing. It's clean, it's crisp, it's super hydrating. You've got cucumber to fight the bloat, and it also refreshes your skin. And then you've got vitamin C for antioxidant, as well as it helps with digestion. Kind of tastes like spa water's sassier cousin. But to tell you about the other freebies that you're going to get in this 5 free recipe list, we're going to start, well, you've got the cucumber cooler, the strawberry fizz made with strawberries and lime, and they actually have a bit of a... Next up is the pineapple ginger cooler, and this one's got some zing. But pineapple actually has some great enzymes for your digestion, and amazing enough, it helps so much with inflammation in the body. I've used it so much for anti-inflammation. I occasionally put it in this drink, and that's all part of it. Next, I've got an orange cream soda, I call it, orange cream soda. It's like a grown-up version of the Dreamsicle without the cream. Of course, oranges have the immune boosting of the vitamin C. And of course, I add a little bit of stevia. You can use allulose, either way. And then a touch of vanilla. You can get the sugar-free, alcohol-free vanilla. You add a touch of vanilla, and that's what gives it that cream soda taste. And then sparkling water, of course. We're coming up on summer, so we can't forget about the watermelon mint sizzle that I've got. This could be your new summer. I know people like to give watermelon a bad rap because of this high sugar. Actually, it doesn't do what you think it does. It's actually very, very hydrating and good for your skin. And if you've got any mint grown in your garden, mint is perfect for digestion and gives it just a little bit more elevation of flavor. And these drinks, a lot of people call them mocktails and fancy drinks, but they're really not. You can have them just anytime you want a little elevated, pick me up or something different than your normal. I mean, like I drink tea all day long, have my fancy Starbucks. Everybody has that. But what I do is I consider these other drinks part of my wellness toolbox. They help me feel like I'm actually having maybe, a little treat, but they're good for the body at the same time. So even if it's not date night, maybe you're just sitting on the front porch swing with your dog, try one of these. There's a link below for all 5 free recipes, and I'm actually going to link to you below what I drink every day anyway, how I make my citrus iced green tea. Cheers, my friend. You deserve it.